My partner and I made 3 family budgets together. All 3 failed within 6 weeks. The 4th one is still running 2 years later, and the only difference was one thing we changed about how we set it up. One person builds it and hands it to the other as a set of rules. No shared goals, just shared restrictions that feel like punishment. Shame and blame when someone goes over a category. Monthly, 20 minutes maximum, no phones, no distractions. Talk about goals and dreams first. Number 2. The person who feels heard is the person who shows up next month. Each person gets a no questions asked personal spending amount. Eliminates resentment, judgment, and secret spending entirely. Even children benefit from having their own small spending category. Vacation fund, home project, holiday gifts, emergency fund target. Shared goals make the budget feel exciting rather than restrictive. Post the goal and the progress somewhere everyone can see it. Review actual spending versus budget as a team. 10 minutes. Celebrate wins. Troubleshoot overages without blame or judgment. Adjust next month's numbers based on what you actually learned. The free family budget planner in the description is designed for 2 people to fill in together. It has a shared goals section built right in. Download it from the link below. New tips Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.